Alright guys, Monday morning, after I finished the vlog last night, and my idea for today, taking this off-roading with my friend Mitch, but unfortunately the battery's dead because I haven't started it in about 2 weeks, I haven't even used it. I've been using this baby, but thought I'd get some action on it because it is up for sale and there's a few people inquiring about it, so it might be gone soon. But I need to get all my music equipment out the back of it. My friend Mitch is on his way, so we'll start it. And we'll take it somewhere fun. Mitch is here to save the day. Got the jump leads out ready. Got the jump leads out ready. There wasn't a bunny patch. How many different cars? There she is. Still a bit muddy from the last time. Can't be perfect though. Very, very clean for a car at this age. All it is mud. It's just mud. There's no rust all over it. It's just mud. Brand new radiator, engine swap. Snorkel's not plumbed up as of yet. Have I put them down? Oh, then there's... What's happened to them? Oh. I have no idea what's happened to them. Alright, so I had the keys when I opened the bonnet, and then after I've opened the bonnet, my keys are gone. What the keys? They're under Michelle's car. She starts beautiful.
He says.
Oh yes, we've got power. Come on. Ready for this V8 rumble. 1, 2, 3.
That sounds sick, Sam. Oh, there we go. He did it.
Oh. I've got a dancing bonnet.
No.
Ready to go then, Mitch?
Nice.
Yes, in all his fresh clothes that are about to get ruined.
Going with the goods. Ah, you bastard.
Right, so my friend Liam's got his pocket money together and he's decided to come out for play with us as well.
Pocket money today.
He was grounded, but he's been let out today. Hey, I'll come on this side. Going to post Paul tonight, sir. For the lucky buyer. So his car off, throw the address on there. And then we'll go. Right, so me and Liam in the back there. We was going to drive this to Spain. And obviously, when you go to Spain, you have to drive at 70 mile an hour. And whenever I go over 50 mile an hour in this, that's all you hear. And it's the most annoying sound I think you could ever. It's the most annoying sound apart from Liam's voice. And that's pretty fucking annoying, to be honest. So that's why we're not driving into Spain. That's why, unfortunately, it's going to have to be sold. If you want to buy it, I'm sure you'll find out what that noise is. I think it's the light bar on the top. Might have to rip it
You
off.
got a bird trapped in your roof, Sam.
Right, so we're here. Ready to do a bit of off-roading. Fucking go down some little lanes. See how we get on. Oh, boys.
Oh, God.
Oi, 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 oi.
Why?
Fucking shit.
I'm gonna get poked in the eye while I put my window up.
There we go. Oi, oi, oi. Woo! Fucking shit! Let's get wet feet, boys. Don't get the bloody trees with you, bro. Oh, we do not want to go through that yet. We will not get through that. I saw how deep it was last time. That is mega deep. And I've got a petrol engine, I don't have a diesel, so there's no way I'm doing that. We're not fucking Oh shit! Boys! Fucking hell! Oi, 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 oi! We're getting down today!
Window up covered.
Rolling and that. Fucking hell. Come on. The first time she's been spinning that much in the mud, you know. Tough mud this is. No! We're stuck!
We beached.
No! Oh, we're stuck. Oh, let's get a bit of princess.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what it is. Oh, let's see what we're stuck on. Oh, she's a bit muddy. Oh, the diff's locked on the bottom. Woo! Look at that. She's a bit muddy. You could try and push, you ain't gonna do it. Well, he's beached on this piece of mud. I think we'll manage to get out. I'll have to see. Yeah, go on. We'll get out. We'll get out. Watch. Put it in low. Differential mode. Yeah, I'll get out and video that one. Right, we'll get out, yeah. Come on. You're gonna get filthy, yeah. Mitch, I'm sorry. Mitch, I'm sorry.
Absolutely covered.
How do you watch this? From you standing in Oh. Yeah, Mitch, do you want to have a go for doing that? Go on, have a go.
I stood in the completely wrong.
Just don't lock the wheels into the side of the trenches. Oh. Off as well. I'm giving Mitch a go because he's just got completely covered in mud because of me. Go on, Mitch. Yes. Go on. Beautiful. Beautiful, Mitch. Natural born off-roader. Let's just check you again.
It's dry now, it'll flick off.
You ain't covered in mud, are you? Look pretty boy.
Come on.
Go on, Mitch. You driving?
Oh, surfing and that. Oh, this is going to be filmed.
Don't break the light bar.
Oh, if I say stop, it means I'm scared.
Yeah. Yeah. Big. Yeah. Very nice.
Boy!
Come on. Yes. Yes, Mitch, beautiful.
What's that? Whoa!
Oh!
Oh. Is my coat dirty?
No, you're alright.
Is it filthy, innit? It's filthy, innit?
Yeah.
No. Did it come off?
Yeah, it's only mud.
My mum will kill me, bruv.
That's your pocket money gone.
What you out in there, bro? That in there, bro.
Careful, it's fucking new bonnet that is. You've just dropped something on the dash.
Hey, scratch goals.
Is it? Not a winner? Go on, Mitch. This is where he's going to get me back now. Going to get my wheel spin. Beautiful off-roader there.
You know what?
Bloody hell, you smell all the petrol, can't you?
Way!
Hey, yeah! Jeez! Anyone wants to donate as well to the expensive hobby?
Oh, waste of time!
Oh man, he don't. It's actually more fun being passenger than it is driving. Whoa!
It's softer this. It's a bit fucking warm, innit? Oh, jacket.
It is a
Oh,
bit
let me have a
warm.
look at my coat, bro. I bet my coat's fucking... Oh! No!
There's a reg plate, isn't it? Yeah, stop.
Don't want nothing
Stop.
down here.
I'm gonna get the reg plate. Ah, come.
Where is it?
Keep going. Keep going. Got it. Alright, whoever's lost the reg.
See if it's taxed.
See if it's tax. It's only half the reg anyway, you can't see anything else. Well, it's coming with us. It's a memento. Go on then, let's go. Go for a walk, come on. Come on, Mitch. Come on. That's a good doggy, come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, yeah. God. He's falling over here.
Hello there, sir.
Hello, bud. See you later. Nice to see you. Ah! Ah! Oi! Oh. Oh. Oh, I just fell over. Big injuries. Big injuries. Oh. I nearly died then. Oh. Yeah. Take your top off. Get more views then. Come on. Whoa! Whoa!
What's your next? What's your next, Ollie?
What's your next?
Your back, flip my pussy out, my friend.
Yeah. Woo! Oh, look at this! What's this on my leg? It's a fucking baby hedgehog on my leg. Look at that.
What the fuck is that?
Ah!
Baby hedgehog.
Wow, look. It's all breaking off, man. Oh.
You miss off road, I've never done it before and I'll probably never do it again. Back's killing.
Got a whiplash climb coming through here, Az.
Oh, there's a wheelchair in the back.
Oh! I said. Look at the beautiful countryside. Here he comes, big beast. Early go there. Yes. Let's try and catch up with him. Come on, give it a send off, son. I just seen him hit something. Let's hope he isn't broken it. Oh god. It's not running. It's not running. Shit. He's just gone out when he's still in drive. I'm shooting forward. Let's just check you again.
It's dry now, it'll flick off.
Everywhere is mud. Look at all that. He's a little bit woody.
I'll stay clean all day.
We're going to get a photo of us all sitting on top of him.
Give me your hand, you daft twat. There you go, you do. I don't know where you get the stand from. I don't even know if you're going to see us because there's a sun on that.
I don't even know what I'm What's that?
What's to do then?
Okay. Not happy with us. Not happy. Oh, then.
People nowadays.
Come on. Why? No, I avoided it this time, mate. Cool. How's he getting out of there? Your beach there. Go forward. you fucker. I don't know what on earth he's trying to attempt here. I'm trying to pick bits of dirt out of my head.
Bye.
See you later. Quite pressure that, son. Just come back over.
Hello again. Fucking hell. Don't think they're gonna let me in. What a bumhole. Maybe the third time lucky.
Right to the parking.
Oh, I got. Oh, it's dripping off the ceiling, look.
Oh, here you go. This is a good bit. This is. Nice video. This, you know.
Are we gonna
Look
go
at that.
in that? You scooter! Oh shit. Oh, you shot me, bloke! Bro, I think there's an alligator in here.
Oh my god.
There's definitely some alligator in there, bro.
Oh, go on for the YouTube.
Man, I ain't doing nothing. Well, that's deep, that is. Go, you can have a bath in there.
It's deep as well, don't it?
And it's obviously going to sink as well, isn't it? Hey! Little hole in boxes. Ah, you smacked me in the leg. Well, look what you've done to me.
Well, let's have a little go.
Well, you literally put dirty water in my shoe.
Can't see anything. Ah! Can't see anything, it's the mud.
Whoa! It's going to go right at the top, bruv. Is it? Yeah. Go on, go. Shit. Oh no, I think you should risk. Oh, no. I got no choice now. Oh! No, got no choice. It stinks.
There's no way it's going through that. Honestly, I'm going to kill it.
You're a bit fucked then, are you?
I can't go through that.
Do you want me to pick the front end? Do you want me to pick the front end
I need to
up?
sell it as well. I'm not going to kill it and have to buy a new engine.
Do you want me to pick the front end up and lift it out?
Yeah, go on then. Incredible Hulk. Get him pissed off. Go on and turn green.
Oh.
That's ridiculous. It's not getting through that, boys.
Holy fuck. A little bit stuck then, anyway.
I think it gets...
Need to have a bigger runner.
Well, she's a little bit muddy. She's a little bit very muddy. I didn't want to go through that because I don't know, I didn't want to risk hurting her, but I've still got her very dirty. The back's clean. We've got Liam driving now.
I ain't even got a license, man.
He hasn't even got a licence. All on private land, all good. Woo! So, just a bit of spot of off-roading. That's going to get it cleaned. It's been a good day, to be fair. Cheers today, Mitch. See you later.
Mate.
Oh, buddy. Time to get it washed then, yeah?
Yeah, man.
See if they'll do it. Just got a call from the cruise agency. They want me to start and leave poor Liam in the UK and ditch Spain. And you know what I say to that? I'm not leaving! I'm not fucking leaving! No, I'm not leaving,
You
Liam.
can't leave.
Let's see if these would do with my car. Do you reckon they will?
What's the face on the sea? They're like, what?
Doing a bit of YouTube, yeah? Just about YouTube on here, filming. Is that alright?
Hey, look at that side. That side works.
Do you reckon? You reckon you'll do it? How much?
Oh, mate.
How much?
Aga. Look.
Yeah, for a wash, yeah. Just get the mud off, that's all I want. Like underneath.
Outside.
Just jet wash, yeah, just outside. Don't need soap, just literally jet wash it off. £20? Yeah, bang on. Sweet. Oh, you said yes, 20 quid, man.
Yeah.
20 quid. Yeah, we'll close the windows then. Get it washed. Cheers, man. Thank you. What's this before? I tyres, brown hills, DIY.
Look at my eye, man.
Think he wants a job here? Put on the graph, Tobian. Put on the graph. I've got mud all over my face as well. Beautiful. Oh, she's all clean now anyway. How clean she is, man. Got the engine badge on and everything. Looking mints. Apart from the mud, they didn't get rid of on the bottom. So I said that's closed. But I'll let them off. Yeah, had a bit of off-roading fun. I'll gonna take me a while to get through all the footage and that, but you enjoyed it, didn't you?
Really fucking nice clothes, like.
We're out for a drink later. We've got TikTok live. I'll have to clean the inside of this as well. Fuck it. Peace!
Hey, mate!